Hello children, today in maths class we are going to understand more on subtraction. So let us start our topic more on subtraction. So children, like addition, more on addition, let us start more on subtraction also by drawing the objects. Now here I have 10 chocolates. So this is 1/10, one group of 10 chocolates, so 1/10. Now 2/10, 3/10, 4/10. I have four group of 10 chocolates each. So 4/10. Now below tens and ones, below tens place I will be writing 4 since there are 4/10 chocolates. Now one single chocolate, so 1/1s, 2/1s, 3/1s, 4/1s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 single chocolates. So below ones place I will be writing 9. Now, let us see, since this is subtraction, subtraction means taking away or removing. So, let us take away or remove some chocolates by drawing the box like this. So, inside the box, you can count and see how many chocolates are there inside the box. Now, here I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones chocolates are inside the box. So below ones place I will be writing 5. It means 5 ones I have taken away or I have eaten 5 chocolates. So below ones place I will be writing 5. Since this is subtraction, so let us put here subtraction sign. Now let us subtract. Now like addition, subtraction also we have to always start from ones place. Now I have to subtract 9 and 5 first since below ones the numbers are 9 and 5. So I have to subtract these two numbers. Now children, let us see here 9 minus 5 is how much? You can count the chocolates which are left in ones place and then you can write here answer. Like in the ones place the chocolates which are outside the box, these are the chocolates which are left, which are not eaten. So we can count them 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chocolates are left. So below ones place we can write 4 or you can do this by opening 9 fingers and then closing 5 fingers. So below ones place the answer is 4 or the difference is 4. Now tens place, as you can see, nothing is under the box. So all the tens place chocolates are as it is. So whatever was there in the beginning it will remain same, 4/10. So 4/10, 4/1 is the answer or the difference of this subtraction sum. 4/10 and 4/1 is the answer. Let us take another example children. We have one group of 10 chocolates. So 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10. So there are 4/10. Below tens place I will write 4. Now let us see how many ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 single chocolates. So below ones place I will be writing 9. 4/10 and 9 ones means 49. Now since this is subtraction, so we need to take away or remove some chocolates. So let us do this by drawing the box. So here you can see there is box and inside the box there are 2/10 chocolates. So 1/10, 2/10 means 20, 2/10. So 2/10 I have removed. I have to remove or take away. So below tens place I will be writing 2. So below 4 I will write 2. Now let us see how many ones. Now here you can see I have drawn box and inside the box there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single chocolates. So below ones place we can write 5. Now, since this is subtraction, so minus sign and now let us subtract. We have to start subtracting from ones place. So ones place numbers are 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is how much? You can do this by opening 9 fingers and then you will close 5 fingers and whatever is left, that is the answer. Or you can do this by counting forward from starting after 5. So after 5 comes 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 steps forward. So 4 is the answer. Or we can see here there are 4 chocolates which are not inside the box. So these are the chocolates which are left. So 4 is the answer for ones place. Below ones place we will write 4. Now let us see tens place. 4 minus 2. You can do this by counting forward. After 2 comes 3 and then 4. 2 steps forward we are moving. So below tens will come 2. Or you can see here there are two tens which are not inside the box. So the answer here in tens place we will write 2. So this is 2 tens, 4 ones. We can see the answer 2 tens and 4 ones. So let us write that 2 tens and 4 ones. This is the answer for this subtraction. Now let us move ahead and let us see more example. Now let us see here we have 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. So I have here 8 tens. Below tens place I will be writing 8. Now let us check how many ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 ones. Below ones place I will be writing 7. Now let us take away or remove some chocolates. So from tens place, now here you can see the box. Inside the box there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens chocolates are inside the box which are taken away. So we can write below tens place 6 or below 8 we will write 6. 6 is taken away. Now from ones place, inside the box there are 1, 2, 3 chocolates. So below 7 I can write 3. It means I have to remove 3 from ones place. Now this is subtraction, so minus sign. Now let us do subtraction. 7 minus 3 we have to do first. We have to start from ones place. So 7 minus 3. You can move forward after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have moved 4 steps forward. So here will come 4. Or we can see here that these are 1, 2, 3, 4 chocolates which are not inside the box. So that is the answer. Below ones place we will write 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now 8 minus 6. After 6, 7 and then 8. 2 steps forward we are moving. So 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 tens. Or we can see here also these are the 2 tens which are not inside the box. So this is the answer for tens place. 2 tens and 4 ones. We can write it like this also. 2 tens and 4 ones. This is the answer for this subtraction. So this way you can do subtraction. Now children, you have understood how to subtract 2-digit numbers. I want you all to do one activity. So this is activity time. You have to draw two sums in your maths notebook and do subtraction. Like I have explained in my PPT, same way you will be drawing. Suppose you can draw grapes like this. Now here, these are the bunches of 10 grapes. So there are 4 tens. So you will be writing tens and ones, below tens 4, and these are the single grapes. Now how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 ones. So below ones place you will write 8, and then you have to take inside the box few grapes in tens place, and then you have to write how many tens are then inside the box, and then how many ones inside the box, and then you have to do subtraction and find out the answer by starting subtraction from ones place first and then moving to tens place. Like this, two sums you have to do in your maths notebook. You can take any number of the objects or any objects or any fruit or vegetable, whatever you like. You can draw that, color that neatly, click picture of that, and then mail that in your class email ID by writing your name and class and division.